If you have been struggling to create your own thumbnail, especially if you are new on YouTube, worry no more because YouTube has just introduced a feature that can help you with your thumbnails. Now, without wasting your time, let me take you straight to my YouTube Studio dashboard and show you exactly how to do this. Here we are now on my dashboard. And of course, for you to come up with your thumbnail, you have to already upload your video. Right here, when you click the create button, you go ahead and upload your video. Just the same process. Then once your video is uploaded, you add your title. Once you have your title, you go on to the next stage, which is your description. And of course, the next thing to do here would be your thumbnail. So naturally, if you don't know any better, you would go ahead and upload a file, which means you have already created a thumbnail stored somewhere on your computer or on your smartphone, and then you upload it. But right now, with this inbuilt feature that YouTube has added to their system, you don't actually need to be doing all that, right? Especially if you are a beginner on YouTube and you are still trying to find your way, you're still trying to find out what works for you and what not. So instead of taking another 30 minutes or 1 hour to try and create your own thumbnail, or if you are low on budget and you really don't have the finance right now to subscribe to thumbnail generator tools, this is a perfect fit for you. So what you have to do is go here and get suggestions, right? So usually it will take a few minutes before it will come up with different thumbnails and explain to you why this thumbnail actually goes with your video. And another thing I love about this is the YouTube system has already analyzed the video you uploaded. They know the content of your video, and they also know what your audience is reacting to, what is working in your niche, right? So it's easy for them to get the best thumbnail title and also the thumbnail that will probably work for your audience. While we are waiting for the thumbnail to generate, I'll quickly explain to you why I think this is a good fit, especially for new creators. If you don't have editing skills yet, you really don't know your way around creating thumbnails using Canva and other apps that are available. With this one, it's already inbuilt. You don't need to go to external sites to create your thumbnail. It's already here, and within few clicks, you already have your thumbnails, and your workflow is just going to be straightforward. And of course, the other reason is it is free. You don't need to pay extra money subscribing to any thumbnail generator tools and all that. So it's free and it's really easy to use. All you have to do is to click on get suggestions, and then you will have your suggestions. So now let's check out what the tool has provided for us. You see, here are 3 thumbnail concepts for your video about the small but mighty monetization mistakes designed to fit the Ellie with Angela brand. Okay, so apparently this tool already has an idea what your brand is all about, right? So it's going to give you thumbnails accordingly, which I think is a brilliant idea. And it doesn't just give you one thumbnail, it gives you 3 concepts, all right? So the first concept here is don't do this. And it tells me why this could be a good fit. It says a medium close-up of you with a grounded warning expression next to a crossed-out YouTube apply now button and bold high contrast text box. So, okay, it said this concept visually anchors the warning about common application mistakes by showing a direct consequence, the crossed-out button, alongside urgent brand consistent typography. Why it works. The use of the massive red X over a recognizable UI element creates instant visual friction, while your serious expression signals the viewer needs to pay close attention to avoid this outcome, all right? You see, that's a first concept. Personally, I don't like this. Now let's go to the second one. Okay, this is more like it. If I would choose a thumbnail for this video, now probably I would opt for this because I like it. It's clean, few text, and you know. So even here, it will also tell you why this concept would work also for your video. And of course, the third concept, this one is also nice. You can see how clean and professional the thumbnails are looking, right? So this is a very great tool. If you have not yet used it or tried it out, you should do. Personally, on my current videos, I've been trying this tool and I must say that I really can't complain, right? You can see how clean it is. And in case you have any request or you want to change something, you can still give in the prompt here, and it will just go ahead and do what? And make the changes for you. All right. Now, let's say you have all this, right? And you decided to go with this one, for example. What you would do is to just go ahead and download it. Okay, you download it. Once you download it, you will have it in your download file or somewhere else, and then you go ahead and save the downloaded file using a keyword that actually match the topic of your video. Don't just leave the file name with random numbers and symbols. It's always good to convert the file name to like a title that resonates with your topic. It helps you with YouTube recommendation and all that. All right. So after you've done that, you go over here and upload the file. You see, I don't know if you can see this. I have uploaded the file and that will be it. Now let me close this. You see the thumbnail we generated is right here. And I didn't need to stress myself or crack my head about anything. So this actually makes your workflow pretty straightforward and easy. It is possible that you don't have this feature yet. All right. So what you can do is to go ahead to your YouTube Studio dashboard and check if this feature is already available. And also, let me know in the comment section if you have seen this feature on your dashboard before but decided not to try it because you weren't sure. And let me know if you are going to be trying it out. And I forgot to mention something. You can actually apply this feature as well on your older videos, right? If you have old videos that you think the thumbnails could be better, you can just go over, open one of the old videos. Like now, this is one of my old videos. You can just go ahead, open one of the old videos and go under the thumbnail and click on Get Suggestions. Once it has generated the thumbnail that you like, you go ahead, download it and do what? Upload it to your video and see if the performance of that video will improve. Okay, let me try again. So Get Suggestions. So you can also apply these on your older videos that you want to like brush up a little bit, because sometimes what I realize is if you have old videos, if you are able to change the thumbnail, the title, and maybe upgrade the description a little bit, YouTube will start pushing them again. All right, so this is another strategy to revive your dead videos. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be ending this here. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and on here I share practical tips and strategies that can help you grow on YouTube and monetize the safer way, the fast way, all right, by helping you avoid the mistakes I made, particularly on this channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, do well to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my next upload. Add a comment to this video, share, like, let this get to other creators. And if you'd like to join my WhatsApp community, you can find the link in my bio. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.